Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclop. In this one, we are discussing a question which is a coin is flipped 100 times and it lands on the heads 55 times. What is the relative frequency of heads? So very simple question. So in this one, we will find the relative frequency which is frequency. Relative frequency is formula is total number of flips and number of heads. Number of heads are which we have, this is 55 times we got this heads on our tossing, and total number of flips are 100 times, so we will get a 0.55. So this is our relative frequency, so that is the final answer. And if you have another query, you can contact us every time, so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much.